Hey friends, welcome to our channel Code Crackers, a best platform for learning coding. Okay, today I'm going to introduce you about the Python file. Okay, what is a PHP file? PHP file contains a text like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code is executed on the server and the result is written to the browser as a plain text. PHP have an extension called .php. What can PHP do? PHP can generate a dynamic page content. PHP can open, read, write, create, delete and close files on the server. PHP can collect the form data. PHP can send and receive the cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can reuse, rest, control user access. PHP can encrypt the data. With PHP, you are not limited to the output HTML only. You can also output images, PDF files and even Flash movies. You can also output any text such as XHTML and XML. Why PHP is used for server? PHP is compatible with almost servers used today, Apache, ISS, etc. PHP supports a wide range of database. PHP is easy to learn and run efficiently on server side.